Moses Mpofu and Mike Chimombe's court case continued today at the High Court, with the pair raising issues over how they were denied bail at the Magistrates Court. The two stand accused of defrauding the government of $7.7 million in the presidential GOAT scheme. Kimberly Chimbalanga was at the High Court this afternoon.
The state dismissed that the rights of the accused persons were infringed when they were denied bail at the Magistrates Court. The accused, the state said, must have applied for referral to the Constitutional Court then and not now. Moses Mpofu, on the other hand, stated that they did not seek referral then, as they were more focused on appealing at the High Court, hoping constitutional issues would be addressed.
At that particular time, I did not instruct them to do so, but what we managed to do was to appeal against the bail ruling. We first wanted to bring our matter before the High Court, and then from there we would proceed further, depending on the outcome from the High Court.
Mpofu further stated that SAC officials interfered with their bail consent. He stated that when they arrived at the Magistrates Court, they were given papers consenting to their bail, and they were only awaiting confirming their addresses as well as the $1,000 meant to pay bail. He added that their rights were infringed when SAC arrived at the court and took aside the investigating officer who had already consented to bail, resulting in changes.
So our lawyers informed us that Mr. Reza had met the deputy head for the MPA, and that he had informed him that he did not consent to us being granted bail.
The accused argued that the ZAC chairperson as well as the investigating officer's conduct was unlawful, hence they seek referral to a constitutional court.
Is that we are calling in evidence from our witnesses in this application for a constitutional referral to establish the facts upon which our clients are indicating that their rights, their constitutional rights have been violated. So far, we have called in the evidence of Mr. Moses Mpofu and also the evidence of Mr. Mike Chimombe. We have testified relating to the violations that they are crying foul.
The accused said the fact that they were coming from home was overlooked and they were remanded in custody. Mike Chimombe told the court that he feels there is selective prosecution as they are being prosecuted for a matter that the investigating officers had indicated that they would ask about later.
The reason for the postponement is that the court has requested that we give it the summary of the evidence that we are likely going to adduce from the witnesses that we are going to call. So the state wants written summary first before they are then called.
The two stand accused of defrauding the government of $7.7 million in the presidential GOAT scheme. The case was postponed to 11 November. For ZTN Prime, I'm Kimberly Chimbalanga in Harare.
Konapo ipapo ba ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.